Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, driver vanity mirror, manual climate control, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.